Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and today we're going to do another Dollar Tree DIY. This one's for Valentine's Day, quick and easy, and oh my gosh, so inexpensive. So what you're going to do is you're going to find yourself a Dollar Tree frame, or maybe even a frame that you might have laying around, and a piece of black cardstock or construction paper. And I'm going to put this here so that you could see. And then all you're going to need is a white chalk pen or even a piece of chalk. I'm going to be using my Arteza chalk marker. Very quick, very easy. We're going to turn this way. And you guys, listen to this. All you're going to do is... hopefully, we're going to turn this over and make sure, yep, it's ready to go. Okay. I'll make sure you can see. So all you're going to do is you're going to draw a little heart. And then you're going to outline that heart and make it a little bit thicker. Okay, now you're going to take your initials and then you're going to put a little plus sign, and then you're going to put the initials of the person that you are making your Valentine. So you see there. Okay, now you're going to do this. You're going to start at the top of the page and you're going to come. You're going to go out like this, go like this, and then you're going to come all the way down, right? I'm going to take your marker and go like that, and then go like this, right? Let's put, as if you were going to make this, we'll put a little arrow. And then we'll put some little, make it really Valentine's-y. Now, this is the easy part. Everything else was the hard part, believe it or not. You're going to start again at these lines, and you're just going to make these little lines come down. You're going to do another line, and you're going to come around like that. And then you're going to come like this and go around this way, like this. And these lines do not have to be straight at all. In fact, crooked is fine. But don't color within that heart. You see what we got going on here? I mean, seriously, you guys could do this like 5 minutes before you're going to see your Valentine. Let's put another notch down here. Maybe another one right here. Not big. But we really want it to... Okay, got that all done. Then you're going to come through here and make a little bit of little ones. And then right here, see what we got going on there? And then you're going to do the same thing, like that. Just like that. So we're basically making some like little bark, right? And anywhere you have some type of line, feel free to make a little knot hole like that. And we're going to do another one right down here. And we're going to clear these lines up a little bit. See that? Now, you can come back in here, clean this up again, because mine left little, like little white marks. So you can come through there and get rid of those little white marks just by going over it again. How cute. Now, we're just going to take, this is an 8 by 10, and I think this is an 8.5 by 11. So we're going to clean this guy up, and you could have done that in the beginning. Let's see. I think we only need to take maybe about a half an inch or so off of here. And it'll probably fit in there just perfect. Yep. I think we're good. Now all you're going to do is put this in the frame. That's it. So just take off the backing. Take this guy off. I always keep this for some reason. I never toss it. Nope. A little bit too. A little bit too big. So we're gonna make this into an 8. This is my Stampin' Up! Trimmer for any of you guys who don't know. But we know that it's an 8.5 or an 8 by 10. So we'll just make it into an 8 by 10 and be done. There's the 10. We'll go with the 8 here. Do a little bit of tree trimming. Okay, now let's stick that in there. Get that underneath all the little spikes there. Again, I always just leave it, I guess, because it helps me know later if I change it out what size the frame is. And look at how cute this is. Isn't that an adorable little gift? Sorry about the lights, but oh, how cute is that? You just put it up for Valentine's Day. All right, I hope you like it. If you do, please give me a big thumbs up and stay tuned for another Dollar Tree DIY. Make sure you subscribe if you're not a beauty yet. Bye.